It happened as a result of the introduction of PNP-ism.
You know, say I idiot them boy they take over.
So the destruction of the roads, Mr. Speaker, is very well the PNP fault.
Take people for fool, but we call them red-handed false promises to the poor. Picture this road smash up on the island, broken infrastructure galore. How could they forget that lasting roads was a legacy? All this time we've been screaming cause they promised prosperity. None of them need and never take responsibility. Even COVID-19 them blame it on the PNP. Them a shift them before them caught in all them villainy. Now no respect for the commission of integrity. Oh, you figure this come access to the budget. Use up the charity money, you shouldn't touch it. All when judge wrong, them a go on like him right. Too much a go on in the shadow of the night. Look on the hole in the road there. Them say I know them. High crime and the problem. Them say I know them. That text them no sign yet. Them say I know them. Food price sky high. I must see Teflon pan car dirt don't stick. Your action slow but your excuse quick. SSL crisis, Andrew you miss. No savings, no safe, all boat get this. Jano star. Look on the hole in the road there. Them say I know them. High crime and the problem. Them say I know them. That text them no sign yet. Them say I know them. Food price sky high. People are suffer star.